Did you know that Tibetan monks discovered one of nature's most powerful substances by watching snow leopards lick black tar from mountain rocks? In 500 CE, high in the Himalayas at Hemis Monastery, Buddhist monks noticed something strange. During brutal winters at 14,000 feet above sea level, wild animals would seek out dark, sticky resin oozing from cliff faces. Snow leopards and blue sheep would lick this mysterious black substance, then display incredible endurance through the harsh conditions. Curious, the monks began harvesting this resin themselves, developing sacred rituals around collecting what they called the mountain's blood. They documented everything meticulously, recording how it dramatically increased their meditation endurance and physical strength during long spiritual practices. What they had found was shilajit, formed over millions of years as ancient plants compressed into mineral-rich resin. Modern science now understands why it worked so well. This tar-like substance boosts cellular energy production and contains over 80 trace minerals. Today, these same monks collaborate with researchers studying their exceptional longevity. The ancient wisdom of following nature's teachers led them to discover what science now calls a mitochondrial powerhouse.